Hi guys, in this video how to create MetaMask wallet easy step-by-step setup for beginners. Ready to start tutorial? Go to the MetaMask website. Copy this link. This website link in description. Click on Download to install the MetaMask extension for your browser. Add MetaMask to your browser. After installation, you should see the MetaMask icon in your browser extensions or toolbar. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. Create a new wallet. Click on Get Started or Create a Wallet. Read and accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Create a strong password for your wallet. Back up your seed phrase. MetaMask will then show you a unique set of 12 random words. Do not share it with anyone. This phrase is crucial for restoring your wallet if you forget your password or lose access to your device. Write down the seed phrase on paper and store it in a safe place. Click Next. After writing down the seed phrase, MetaMask will ask you to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Confirm your seed phrase. This step ensures you have accurately recorded the seed phrase. Wallet is ready. Once you've confirmed your seed phrase, your MetaMask wallet is ready to use. Connect to a network. MetaMask will typically connect to the Ethereum mainnet by default. If you're working on a different network, click on the network drop-down at the top and select the desired network. I hope you enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe.
Do it!